प्रकृति रक्षति रक्षिता, अर्थात जो प्रकृति की रक्षा करते हैं, प्रकृति उनकी रक्षा करती है। पर्यावरण में संतुलन ये हमारी पुरातन परंपरा का एक अहम हिस्सा है।
The choices we make today shape the world future generations will inherit. In the heart of India, where the world's tallest statue stands, a once quiet town chose a different path. Clean mobility over pollution, balanced development in harmony with nature, renewable energy over fossil dependence. This is not the future imagined. This is Ekta Nagar today, India's emerging model for sustainable living. On 5th June 2021, World Environment Day, Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi envisioned Ekta Nagar as India's first e-vehicles only area. Not a promise for tomorrow, a commitment to begin immediately.
स्टैच्यू ऑफ यूनिटी गुजरात में सरदार वल्लभ भाई का विश्व का सबसे बड़ा ऊंचा स्मारक बना है। स्टैच्यू ऑफ यूनिटी जिस स्थान पर है, उस खूबसूरत केवड़िया शहर को इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल सिटी के तौर पर विकसित करने पर भी काम चल रहा है। भविष्य में केवड़िया में बैटरी आधारित बसें, टू व्हीलर और फिर फोर व्हीलर ही चलेंगे। इसके लिए वहां जरूरी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर भी उपलब्ध कराया जाएगा।
Today, 459 electric vehicles move across Ekta Nagar. 55 electric buses connect the region silently and emission-free. 75 pink electric auto rickshaws driven by local tribal women support sustainable last-mile travel. 49 electric office vehicles, 45 golf carts, and 235 e-cycles together power everyday mobility. The destination is clear: zero carbon emissions, and every electric journey moves one step closer. But Ekta Nagar's sustainability story does not begin on roads. It begins in the soil. Through the Greening Ekta Nagar initiative, 455,000 saplings were planted in 2023-24, 567,000 in 24-25, 5 lakh in 2025-26. Under this project alone, over 15.22 lakh saplings have taken root. Across all plantation initiatives, the total number of trees added in Ekta Nagar is estimated to exceed 60 lakh. Among them are 2.25 lakh Kesuda trees, 2 lakh Krishna Kamal plants, nearly 30 lakh trees planted under ecotourism forest plantations, and 15 lakh plants lining roads and pathways. What once stood as open land has now become a thriving green landscape. At the heart of this transformation stands the Miyawaki forest, spread across 1.98 acres. This dense ecosystem nurtures over 107,010 plants from 105 species across different forest sections, including timber forest, food forest, medical forest, and native forest. Built using the Miyawaki method of rapid ecological restoration, the forest supports faster growth, richer biodiversity, and thriving habitats for birds, insects, and native species. And Ekta Nagar continues to grow greener. Clean transportation is not a feature here. It is the foundation. Electric buses, e-rickshaws, e-cycles, and golf carts now define movement across Ekta Nagar. Visitors, officers and employees have embraced electric mobility as part of everyday life. Quiet roads, cleaner air, responsible movement, together shaping a greener future, one journey at a time. At Ekta Nagar, tourism and conservation move together. The jungle safari, Valley of Flowers, Arogya Van and Vishwa Van are designed not just as attractions, but as spaces that connect people with biodiversity and nature. The Butterfly Garden alone nurtures 12,163 plants across 83 species, supporting vital pollinators and delicate ecosystems. Here, every visit becomes a step towards conservation. Sustainability at Ekta Nagar is not a campaign. It is a way of life. At Ekta Nursery, over 2.4 lakh plants across 244 species are continuously nurtured to strengthen the region's green cover. Biodegradable areca leaf utensils and refill water stations across major attractions are reducing plastic waste and encouraging responsible living. Above it all, Ekta Nagar's 5,600 kilowatt solar infrastructure generates over 67 lakh units of clean energy annually. This is sustainability in action, quietly, consistently, every day. Sustainability is built through everyday choices. In Ekta Nagar, those choices move silently through electric vehicles, living forests, renewable energy, and greener spaces. 5 years ago, Ekta Nagar began building the future the world now speaks about. And the journey continues. This World Environment Day, Ekta Nagar stands as proof. When vision meets action, the future arrives early. Ekta Nagar, where unity inspires sustainability. World Environment Day 2026, Ekta Nagar, towards a greener tomorrow.